Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a quick video installing the Raptor lights on my aftermarket TRD Pro grill. You can see that's the old one. This is the aftermarket one from eBay, and yes, it fits pretty flush. Alright, here are the Raptor lights. Came in 4, but I'm going to use 3 out of the 4 because that's the style I like. And yes, this is the harness it came in, but I thought it'll come with the fuse. I guess not, so I'm just using my leftover parts, splice the fuse in, and I'll be using this so it could splice into the main harness on the truck. I'll show you real quick. I'll be using the positive wire off this plug for the Raptor lights, and I'll be using the ground on this side, which is the passenger side LED headlamp for this side. So whenever I have the LED on, the Raptor lights would turn on itself. I would have done it this side because I have more room, but it's already been used. And that's being used for this, which you see in my previous videos, be used for this, or the main power source for that. And before I move on, you gotta cut your grill to fit the Raptor lights, which I already did before I even installed it. If you didn't cut it, it will look like that. You gotta cut it like that so it'll fit the Raptor lights. Just take your time on it before you damage your grill, scratch it. But yeah, this is an eBay grill. It's pretty decent. I paid for what, 120, 130. Well, let me calculate that. Let's see, 120, 130. Let's see, show you guys. The lettering is not on it, so then use the screws to hold on to it with the grill. Overall, man, the cheapest grill you get out there, eBay, man. I've been having this right here, but I just decided to put it on. I made a little mistake. Forgot to tell you guys. I was like, why isn't it going in? I'm like, oh yes, that's right. I forgot to notch off these tip right here, so it'll slide in. That's right, I forgot. Don't forget it. Alright, just got done putting everything in, testing out the light. LED lights are on, Raptor lights on. It's on. That's how I hooked it up. See, thing's been zip tied on top of the grill, routed through right here against the wind diffuser right here inside, and going through the little gap coming on the inside engine bay. Extra, so I just zip tied it like that. There goes the fuse, and yeah, it's spliced into the LED positive on the passenger side and grounded. Right here, to get to it, gotta remove the little water fluid thing here. Put it back. Right, everything's put back together how it's supposed to be. And they're hiding. Everything's all zip tied in place. Looks pretty good. Oh man, I'm tripping over my kids' bikes. Recording this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Get another shot at it when it's darker. So it is controlled. That is. So whenever it's on auto, if it's dark outside, it's gonna turn on. The Raptor lights work same thing as this. If it's auto, dark, it'll turn on. If not, just get on that daylight, where they're running daylight. It's pretty good. Then turn on the headlights, the fog lights. Oh yeah, it looks good. I like this new style. Why didn't I do it sooner, right? Thanks for watching.